guys, what's up? I just got a package. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Can't wait to see what this is.
Oh yeah!
Why?
This package was ordered like 3 months ago. He's finally getting it.
Oh, what?
Woo! Man, that's a hard one to get, too.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you, guys. I'm lost
You're
for
welcome.
words. What?
This has been on your Christmas list for like 3 years.
Yeah.
Finally got it.
Wow.
That's awesome.
That's so cool. There's the back. Stony.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Is that the one about when he started balling?
I see my reflection.
Is that album?
Yeah.
About him. It's a fine story about a young man who was young and balling.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Bye, guys. Have a great day. Subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Are you really blindfolded?
Yeah.
We're going to do a little test to see if you're really blindfolded, okay?
Alright.
Oh, yeah, he's really blindfolded. Okay. Here you go. Caleb.
Oh, sorry.
Caleb. All right. Here, take off the blindfold.
This is you, and this is me.
You quit.
Okay, come on. Let's see what you got.
Take all the stuff out. That's it.
Okay.
What is it?
Huh? Oh, are these glasses?
I don't know.
Oh, what?
They're glasses. You're gonna look like a nerd.
Angelina, you need to quit.
Oh, yeah.
Player hater's degree over there.
Oh, what?
Those aren't the posty glasses, are they?
Oh, they are?
I don't know.
What?
They don't sell them anymore, too. They're like, yeah.
Let's see the front of them.
Let's see how they look.
What?
You're gonna look like a rock star.
I know.
Is that P for Post Malone on the lens?
I think so.
What?
Robert, can I
Put
show
them
you
on.
What?
Oh my God, who's
those
that
are
rock
good.
star? Yeah. I got some new sunglasses and I feel like a rock star.
Wow.
Hey, Robert, can I show you
Thank you,
something?
guys.
Nice.
Can I show
Wow.
Whoa, what is that?
They make it hard to open.
Is it both Malone candy?
I don't know. What?
Oh, okay, so if you didn't want, I guess there's 2 cases.
So look. Whoa,
Oh, what?
that's cool.
Wow.
Hey,
Looking
Robert.
sharp, kid.
Thank you, guys.
Oh yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
Robert, can I show you something?
Looking cool. Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
And that's a
Happy
cool little
birthday.
case that it came with too.
What?
Robert, I'm
Thank
gonna
you,
show
guys.
you something that's important. To
Aw.
remember. This is me. and This is you.
Angelina. I don't know what that means, but all right.
I'm gonna pop you.